Hello from Munster GPS. Today we're going to talk about two trackers on our website, the V8 and the V16. They're two personal trackers. They're the smallest ones on our website, smaller than a small matchbox, and they can fit on a keyring, on a wrist strap, or just in a pocket. So the V8 and V16, they use the Reach Far app, which can be seen here on my phone, and that's available on an Apple Play Store and also Android. So if we open the app, the Reach Far app, we get the initial login screen, and on the back of the tracker you'll see the ID number, and you place that in the first line, 64100007897. The next line then is the password. Third line, Google Map, you can leave that as is. Then the fourth line, remember login information. Just make sure that's ticked so you don't have to log in the information the second time and third time, so on. So we log in, and this is the home screen. Top of the screen there, offline battery, 85%. That's the battery status. And we have the wheel time tracking, historical route, geofence, settings. They're the main icons we'll look at today. Wheel time tracking, which is going there. And if we just pinch the screen with your fingers to zoom out, or else you can use the plus minus on the bottom left hand corner. So the most important thing really to note here is the blue dot. That's your phone. That's the GPS chip on your phone showing its location. Okay, and to the top left of that then, joined by a green line, that's cursor is the tracker itself then. That's the GPS tracker, the V8 or V16. So you can see there, there's a distance of 29 meters between the two, between your phone and the tracker, and that can be seen on the bottom of the screen there, distance 29 meters. The bubble then, highlighting on the tracker cursor, the bubble there says the V8 and GPS offline, the date 2019, 2nd, 12th, so 12th of February 2019, the time, speed and direction. Okay, that's wheel time tracking, and you have the address in at the top of the screen then, Palaspeg, County Limerick, and you can leave this open if you want. If you're following a tracker, it's your live update screen. You can zoom out, as I said, in map mode. You can see what main road is near, and you can zoom in, and on the top right there you can toggle between satellite and map view. So when you get in close, it's probably better to go into satellite view, and you can see exactly what house it's at. Okay, go back then to the home screen. You have historical route, so you can replay the route it took on a particular day. Always unhighlight, uncheck the show LBS points. That just shows the points whenever there's no GPS signal. So you have a choice of today, yesterday, or a custom date. So just click on the 11th of February. And the time then is basically all day, from 0 to 24. Do a search. And again, we just zoom out a bit there, just to show you the track it took on that particular day. Went into Limerick and back out again. So you can replay the route it took. We just speed up a bit there at the bottom. Press play. And off it goes. You can see the speed, direction, time, and back out again. You can zoom right in. You can change the satellite view. And that's it. Go back out of that. That's the historical route. Geofence. So you can set a geofence. Let's say, as I mentioned before, the blue dot is where your phone is. That's where you are at the moment. And the cursor is where the tracker is. So set the blue dot right in the middle of those crosshairs by moving the screen with your finger. And we'll increase the radius, up to top, 200 meters, 300 meters, 400 meters, 500 meters. Leave it at 500 meters, okay? At the bottom of the screen then, call it a name. So this geofence, we just call it test. And click OK. And that's it. So basically, once the tracker goes outside that radius, it'll alert your phone through a notification. To delete the geofence, you press and hold, and you have a choice of edit geofence or delete. So just delete that. Yeah, sometimes if there's a bad network coverage in the area, or if the tracker has bad network coverage, you get this loading, please wait, and you might have to do it a second time. Network connection failed. We try that again. We'll press and hold, delete, okay, gone. That's the geofence. We go to settings now. Settings, and the most important ones here are the third line down there, the interval for uploading location data. So you have a choice of 1 minute. That means it updates the position of the tracker every minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, or every 12 hours. Obviously, for 1 minute, it'll use a lot of battery. For 12 hours, it uses very little battery. We'll just stick it on 1 minute. Okay. And then if you come down along, then you have arm. I like this feature. So you can have a vibrate alert. There's a vibration sensor on the tracker, so whenever it's moved, vibrated, it'll send you an alarm. Or else there's a noise sensor alarm. There's a microphone on it, and again, if it hears a loud noise in the vicinity, it'll send you an alarm. Likewise, disarm. You can disarm both. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Any questions, you can give us a call on the numbers on the website.